Hi everyone, and welcome to another instalment of our Christmas Spirits series. My name is Melita Kiley and I'm the editor of the Spirits Business magazine. I'm here at the Whisky Exchange in Great Portland Street, London, to bring you a selection of Irish whiskies, which I hope will give you some gift inspiration this Christmas. So the 5 Irish whiskies I have in front of me today have all won medals in our blind tasting competition as part of the Global Spirits Masters series. So these whiskies have been tasted completely blind by a panel of judges, including myself, without any brand knowledge or influence from the packaging, which means that you can trust the liquid that's inside the bottles. So my first whiskey is a single pot still whiskey, and this style is exclusive to Ireland. So where you have single malt whiskey, which is produced entirely from malted barley, single pot still whiskey uses a combination of malted and unmalted barley, and this creates a typically spicy flavour profile. So to begin with, we have Redbreast Listowel edition. So this single pot still whiskey has lots of red apples and some burnt orange and dark fruits on the nose. On the palate, you'll find more of those darker flavours like dark chocolate, a little bit of licorice, more burnt orange, and some warm, spicy characters. Think cinnamon twists. This retails for just over £50, and so if you're looking for a typical whiskey that is only made in Ireland, then this is a great place to start. My next pick is a single grain whiskey from Teeling. Now this has been aged in Californian Cabernet Sauvignon casks, and it retails for about £42 to £43 a bottle. On the nose you'll find sweet buttery shortbread, some vanilla and some woody notes in there as well. And the flavour is full of tart to tan, more of those biscuit notes coming through as well, and there's a little bit of spice and fruit in there to give it some weight too. My next pick is a blended Irish whiskey from Grace O'Malley. On the nose, this has sweet caramel, vanilla aromas with some orange zest in there as well. And then on the palate, you'll find more of that rich caramel, some sweet spices, a little chocolate, and it's creamy too. This is a beautifully complex blend which combines whiskies that were aged in a wide range of casks, including grain whiskey that was matured in ex-bourbon casks and malt whiskey that was left inside ex-rum barrels. Up next, I've selected another blended whiskey. This is Rowan Co, which has been aged in ex-bourbon barrels. This retails for around £30 a bottle, and for that, what you'll find is that the nose has some icing sugar sweetness, some soft spices and vanilla, and then this continuation of flavour carries through to the palate when you're drinking the whiskey with a little bit of poached pear and some spice in there for extra weight. So my final pick out of the Irish whiskies is the Method and Madness single malt, which has been aged in ex-bourbon casks and French Limousin casks. This gives fresh, bright aromas, lots of green apples and vanilla sweetness, and then that flavour goes from apple freshness to poached pears when you sip the whiskey, a slight nuttiness, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. This is on the more expensive side at £75 a bottle, but if you are looking for a whiskey in that price range, then I would highly recommend this as a gift. That concludes my pick of 5 Irish whiskies, and I hope there's something in there that will appeal to you. If you want to find out more about any other award-winning whiskies, head over to thespiritsbusiness.com or visit our social media pages at Spirits Business.